Hey guys, Robert here from Arlington Motorsports here in Arlington, Texas. You've been waiting on it, it is here. This is the all-new 2022 Yamaha R7. Check this thing out. This bike is completely new, totally different bike than we've ever had before. So everybody's been asking for R7s. I've got two of them. Got a blue one, got a black one. Come down here and check these things out. You're not gonna be disappointed. We also got some really cool used bikes that just come in. Got some Ducatis. We're normally not a Ducati dealership, but we got a few of them in. So got a Hyper Motar 939. This thing's only got 800 miles on it. Also got a Panigale 959. This bike's got less than 10,000 miles on it. Even got a Scrambler. So if you like that kind of urban assault vehicle, we got that too. That's an 1100. So whether you're looking for a new bike or a used bike, whether it's something new like this Ducati, new Yamaha sport bikes, got a little bit of everything around here. So come and see us. And don't forget to check out all of our used inventory at arlingtonmotorsports.com. Don't delay because this stuff goes fast.